How to get verified on TikTok. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to get verified on TikTok, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what we need to do first is to go into our TikTok app. Perfectly, now when you're on the TikTok app, then if you want to get a verified account, what you need to do first is to click on the three lines in the top right corner, so click there. Perfectly, now we need to click where it says settings and privacy. Perfect, in here we need to click where it says manage account. Great, now you need to click where it says switch to business account. And now it's just going to load here for me. Perfectly, now we need to click where it says next. And then you need to select which kind of, which kind of business that you have. So I'm just going to choose something like right here. I'm going to click here and then I'm going to click on next. Perfectly, as you can see, I have now a business account on TikTok. So what we need to do now, when we do actually have a business account on TikTok, because that is the first step, the next step is to once again click on the three lines in the top right corner. Perfectly, now we need to click where it says settings and privacy. Perfect, we now need to scroll down and then click where it says report a problem. Perfect, just going to load. Now we need to scroll down and actually click where it says account and profile. Let's see here. Perfectly, now when you're in here, then you need to click on the, basically it's like a pen and a paper symbol in the top right corner, so click there. Just going to load. Perfect, as you can see, we once again need to click on the pen and paper symbol in the top right corner. Great, in here we need to basically report a problem to TikTok. So our problem right now is that we're not verified on TikTok, so we need to explain to TikTok that we want to get verified. So I'm going to write something like this. I am gaining small following on TikTok. Please help me to get verified. And then just write like please send me the details that I need to give to you to get verified, basically something like this. You don't have to write exactly like this, but as long as you can explain to TikTok that you want to get verified and basically explain why you need to get verified, maybe write like you are an upcoming artist or something like that. Like, don't lie, basically just write exactly what why you want to get verified so you can explain that to TikTok, and when you are done just click where it says report. Perfectly, what will happen now is that it will take about 1 to 3 business days for TikTok to respond back to you, and I hope that this will solve your issue. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video and please subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you an awesome day.